Kundalini took over my body. I couldn't resist. I fully surrendered, and that energy just took my awareness and shot it straight to source. Stick around because this is story time. I was walking in a street, watching trees, and my mind started to go still. And while I was walking, watching trees, I couldn't really tell you what a tree was. I would see a tree. I would see a trunk. I would see the leaves. I would see that it's brown and that it's green. But I couldn't tell you what it was. It was just there. I wasn't really tying labels to what I was seeing. Couldn't tell you what the tree was. Couldn't tell you who I was. I couldn't tell you what I did for a living. I couldn't tell you who my family was. It's like my mind was so still. I wasn't holding on to memories. I wasn't holding on to any knowledge whatsoever. Everything was just completely still. So still. So still, it felt like time was coming to a full stop. And in that stillness, boom, something exploded, like right here, exploded. That explosion felt like free falling. If you ever skydived and you jump out the plane, you feel your stomach drop. Or if you're on a roller coaster and you make that drop, that feeling that you get, that is how it felt initially. It exploded. And when that happened, I immediately knew it was God. I immediately knew it was primordial. I immediately knew it was divine. How did I know that? I just knew. The feeling of it itself, it tells you that it's God. It was so intense, so powerful that I could not resist. I had to fully surrender, and that is what I did. I fully surrendered to what was happening. At first, there was huge amounts of fear, but that fear couldn't last long because the energy was too powerful. It destroyed it. It fully took over my body. And by surrendering, the energy just shot right up into my head. Like, boom, within seconds. Couldn't even prepare for it. It just happened. And when that happened, my mind completely shut off. I was everywhere and nowhere simultaneously. It was just me. I was everything. That was it. The experience lasted only for a few seconds. Didn't last for long. While that was crazy, it was just the beginning. When the energy started to decline, it's only then I started to recall everything. I felt like I was born again. I felt like I just threw away an old me and I was living through a new me. My life was forever changed from then on, from then there out. Because the energy was still there. I would go to work in a city, in meetings. My senses were completely heightened, feeling like I was just crossing different dimensions. It was so intense, I desperately needed help because I did not want the energy there. It was too intense. I could not function at work. I tried to get help, but I couldn't get help. This was over 10 years ago. Not many resources back then, and if you did look at resources, it was conceptual knowledge. You could tell how the knowledge was presented, that it was just borrowed knowledge. It wasn't from people who actually experienced it. And so I had to live with this energy. And the beautiful thing is, I started to learn about it. I started to realize that if you feed it attention, it becomes amplified. But if you ignore it, it starts to subside. And so in this way, I developed mastery throughout the years using this energy. And it's only when I started using the energy that the energy started teaching me. I came to find out that this energy is not an energy. It's an intelligence. And this intelligence guides. It shows you depths of reality if you're ready to reveal it. Because these truths can be scary for the average person. If you're too comforted by the ego, you can't reveal these truths. It will terrify you. But the energy is so powerful, or I should say the intelligence is so powerful, so mesmerizing, so intoxicating. It just dissolves all thoughts. And if you use it long enough, it dissolves the ego. And so if this intelligence is awakened and you allow it to do its thing, which is give it some attention, be intimate with it, allow it to show you deeper truths, it will show you those deeper truths. Because the ultimate purpose of this intelligence is to show you the deepest truth possible. The truth of you. The truth that you are not this body. The truth that you are pure consciousness.